Manual, definition, manual in a sentence, manual pronunciation, manual meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of manual. Manual. Man-u-al. Manual. Manual as an adjective means to be done with one's hands. Manual as a noun means a book of instructions. Common usages in academic writing: a manual transmission, a manual override, a manual approach, a reference manual. Example sentence: manual adjective. When the autopilot began to malfunction, the pilot engaged the manual override. The common academic writing variations are manual, noun. The participants that studied the reference manual finished their task 37% faster than those who didn't. And manually, adverb. The search and rescue team had to manually carry the injured skier down the hill. Please write a sentence using manual in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of manual, the meaning of manual, and manual example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video. Bye.